Windows has a surprising number of command line tools that you can use for anything from checking your network to converting video locally. My name is Yadullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we are talking about FFmpeg, how you can install it on your PC, how you can set up a local environment to be able to use it, and everything else. Since FFmpeg is a command line utility, downloading and installing it can be a little bit daunting and technically challenging, but let's not worry about that. So the first thing that you have to do is head over to FFmpeg.org, or the official website. This is the download page. I'll put a link in the description below. So it's essentially FFmpeg.org/downloads. Now, when you're in here, you will see the option to download the source code, or the snapshot, or the PGP signing key. We don't need any of that. Just scroll down, and in this section you will see that there is options for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. We just need Windows, so hover on Windows and then choose either of these builds. I'm just going to go ahead with the first one. This will now load up a new page. Alright, so in here I have several options. I am just going to get the GitHub repository link from here. And now, as you can see, I have some assets I can download. So I can get the Essentials build, or I can get the full build. Essentials build are basically just the core components, but we're going to go ahead with the full build in this video. So just click on this zip file, and there you go. The download has started. So as you can see, it's a 175 MB download. So I'm just waiting for it to finish, and then we can move on to adding the environment variables. So as you can see, now I have the zip file downloaded. Now we're going to extract it. So just right click, click extract all, give it whatever path you want FFmpeg to permanently live in. If you move around these files, once we've added the environment variable, you will have to go back and update it. So for now, I'm just going to extract everything right here. We'll give it a minute. Alright, so now the FFmpeg folder has been extracted. As you can see, I have 3 folders here: bin, doc, and presets. The most important one is bin, because this is where you will find your executable files. So as you can see, we now have our 3 main FFmpeg tools, so FFmpeg, FFplay, and FFprobe in this folder. So now we have to add them to our environment variable so that we can use them from anywhere that we want. So to do that, just press the Windows key and search for environment variables. Just click on this button, and now this window will pop up. We are going to click on this environment variables button. And now, as you can see, under system variables, I'll scroll down until I see path, and this is where the FFmpeg environment variable goes. So just click on edit. As you can see, there are a bunch of environment variables already here. We are going to click on new and then browse. So now you have to navigate to the folder where you have saved the FFmpeg tools. In my case, this is bin. Click OK. And as you can see, the folder has been added. So click OK, and then OK. So close all of this. And now if I open a new terminal and do FFmpeg version, so as you can see, FFmpeg is running, and we can see our different versions. And now FFmpeg is installed. You can now run the terminal commands from anywhere that you like and carry on conversions and playback. If you like these videos, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below if you have any thoughts on these videos, or if you'd like to know more. If you want to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology. Follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.